Introduction. Welcome to today's lecture on printed circuit boards, or PCBs. PCBs are the backbone of almost every electronic device we use today, from smartphones and laptops to medical devices and automobiles. In this lecture, we'll learn what PCBs are, why they are important, how they are made, and the different types available. What is a PCB? A printed circuit board is a flat board made of insulating material, typically fiberglass, with conductive copper traces printed on it. These copper pathways connect electronic components like resistors, capacitors, ICs, and transistors, forming a complete circuit. Instead of messy wires, PCBs allow compact, reliable, and efficient circuit connections. Why PCBs are important? PCBs provide mechanical support to electronic components and ensure electrical connectivity through well-designed copper tracks. They improve reliability, reduce size, and make mass production of electronic devices possible. Basic structure of a PCB. A typical PCB consists of three main layers: substrate, or base material, usually fiberglass, providing strength and insulation; copper layer, a thin conductive foil that forms circuit paths; solder mask, and silkscreen. The solder mask prevents short circuits, while the silkscreen adds labels and component identifiers. Types of PCBs. There are several types of PCBs, depending on complexity. Single-sided PCB, copper traces on one side only; double-sided PCB, copper traces on both sides connected by vias; multi-layer PCB, multiple layers of copper and substrate stacked, used in computers and smartphones; flexible PCB, bendable circuits used in cameras, medical devices, and wearables. PCB manufacturing process. The PCB manufacturing process involves several key steps: designing the circuit layout using CAD software, printing the design onto the copper-clad board, etching, removing unwanted copper, leaving only the desired traces, drilling holes for components, solder mask and silkscreen application, component mounting, and soldering. This process transforms a digital design into a working electronic circuit board. Applications of PCBs. PCBs are used in almost every industry. In consumer electronics, they power smartphones, televisions, and appliances. In automotive systems, they control sensors and safety features. In aerospace and defense, PCBs ensure reliable operation under extreme conditions. Medical devices like pacemakers and diagnostic machines also rely on PCBs. Conclusion. In summary, printed circuit boards are the foundation of modern electronics. They provide strength, connectivity, and efficiency in a compact form. Without PCBs, our digital world simply wouldn't exist.